Today we have Gan V100 maglev cube. So in this video I will review this cube and share my thoughts on it. So in the box we get a cube box and our accessory box. So in accessories we get like two things. First is this tool to take out the center, and this is the adjustment tool. And second we get a manual right here. So move on to the cube. This is the cube, and the cube box is pretty cool, and we can take out the cube something like this. And this cube has a really fast filling. As you can see, this cube has black internals, which I really like. Moving to the first section, accessories. As you can see in the previous section, we have pretty decent accessories, center cap remover tool, and adjustment tool, and a cube box. So that's pretty decent. I will rate that 8 out of 10. This cube has a very fast and tactile feel. This cube is totally different from the V11 lineup because that's fast with smooth feeling, and this is fast with tactile. I'm really enjoying this tactile feel, so I will rate the turning feel like now 9 out of 10. So moving to the third section, we have performance. This cube is a beast in terms of performance. I'm saying this thing because the cube is very fast, but at the same time it's also very stable. So I like this feeling of the cube. So I'll rate 9.5 out of 10 in terms of performance. So let's try corner cutting on this cube. Yeah, this cube can easily cut 45 degree. So corner cutting is pretty good. So let's move to magnet strength. We have exposable magnets here and a really strong auto alignment. Like it's over 35 to 40 degree easily. I will rate 10 out of 10 in terms of magnetic strength because it's perfect. Like if you are getting that level of auto alignment in a cube, that's very good. So this is a combined review chart. So moving to the final chapter, should you buy this cube? My answer is yes, because this cube is like $40, and from $40 you get a Gan cube, and it's really nice, fast, stable as I compared before. So if you want to get a fast cube, also again in budget, you can get this cube. See you in next one.